The GEARLASSO 12V and 24V battery charger feels genuinely heavy-duty, with a metal and reinforced plastic housing that stands up well to regular garage use while still being manageable to carry. Its automatic detection of 12V or 24V systems, combined with a wide 0 to 15 amp output range, makes it equally useful for quickly bringing a flat battery back to life or gently maintaining one over the long term. The expanded set of 10 charging modes, including constant voltage, constant current, energy saving, and a strong output option, gives you fine control over how aggressively or gently you treat different battery types. Dedicated winter and summer modes, along with a clear display showing voltage, current, and charge level, make it easy to get reliable starts and monitor charging in everything from cold mornings to hot shop environments. The repair and maintenance functions can often coax weak lead-acid batteries back into usable condition and then keep them healthy with pulse charging, which is a big plus if you manage several vehicles or seasonal equipment. Built-in protections against reverse connection, overheating, overcharging, and short circuits, plus a cooling fan and spark-free clamps, provide a reassuring level of safety when working around automotive electrical systems.